Good afternoon. Today's topic inverse trigonometric function exercise 2.2 from NCERT book. Question number 7. So first we do question number 5 first. So write the following functions in the simplest form. Write down the following functions in the simplest form. So question is tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So exercise 2.2 from question number 5. Tan inverse, question is tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Okay, find its simplest form where x not equal to 0. Okay, so we have to simplify first. So under root 1 plus x square. So if you take x equal to tan theta, then 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So under root sec square theta means sec theta. So we can take, now let x equal to tan theta, then this means tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta, this under root minus 1 divided by tan theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta means formula tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta, it is sec square theta. Under root sec square theta means sec theta. So sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now sec theta means 1 by cos theta. To simplify this, and tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Okay, then 1 by cos theta minus 1, LCM is cos theta. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is the LCM. So 1 minus cos theta by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. So equal to, from both sides cos theta cancel. So it is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta divided by sin theta. Is okay up to this? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the formula? 1 minus cos theta, trigonometric formula. 1 minus cos theta equal to, this is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2 because of minus sign. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin theta formula. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So from both sides 2 cancel and 1 sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cancel. So this is equal to tan inverse sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. And sin by cos means tan. So equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. So tan inverse tan theta by 2 means, hello?
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse tan theta by 2 equal to what?
Sir, theta by 2.
Theta by 2. Theta by 2 and theta equal to, what is theta equal to? Tan theta equal to x, no?
Yes, sir.
So theta equal to tan inverse x, no? So half
Yes, sir.
into tan inverse x, half into tan inverse x, because tan theta equal to x, we are taking no, tan theta equal to x, that means theta equal to tan inverse x. So theta equal to tan inverse x. Okay, so half tan inverse x. This is the answer. So simplest value is half of tan inverse x. This is the answer. Is okay? This clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down this, written.
Written, sir.
This was question number 5. Simplest value is half into tan inverse x. Okay. Next question number 6. Question number 6 is, number question, tan inverse 1 by under root x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Okay. So x square minus 1. So any idea? Let x equal to which trigonometric ratio we can take here? Let x equal to, this question, under root x square minus 1. Take any trigonometric ratio, then we can solve this. So x equal to sec theta here, because sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So under root tan square theta is tan theta. So let x equal to sec theta. In this question, let x equal to sec theta. Then equal to tan inverse 1 by root over of sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. Now sec square theta minus 1 means, we know sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. So equal to tan inverse 1 by, and tan square theta means Root of tan square theta is 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta. Then 1 by tan theta means cot theta. So equal to, this is equal to tan inverse cot theta. Cot theta, and cot theta means we know tan 90 minus theta, that is tan pi by 2 minus theta, equal to tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta. Then we can use the formula tan inverse tan theta equal to theta. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. And what is theta? Theta means, here, theta means theta equal to sec inverse x. Because x equal to sec theta, so this means theta equal to sec inverse x. Theta means sec inverse x. So pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Okay. This is the simplest value of this question, that is pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. This is the answer. And this is the simplest value. Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Written this question, answer.
Yes, sir.
Next question 7. 7 number question is tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, where x less than pi. So simplest value, number 7, tan inverse 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x. This one under root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. And what is the formula of 1 minus cos x? Tan inverse 1 minus cos x formula. Hello? 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. And 1 plus cos x, plus sign then cos, 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 under root. One root is there. Now see, if minus sign is there, 1 minus cos x, then sine. Okay, you can remember like this way, minus sign 1 minus cos x, that is sine, if plus sign, that is cos. So 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, now this equal to 2 cancel, and sine by cos is tan. So tan square x by 2 means tan x by 2. So tan inverse under root tan square x by 2. Tan square 2 cancel, x by 2. Then tan square x by 2 under root, that is tan x by 2. So this is equal to tan inverse tan x by 2. So this is equal to tan inverse tan x by 2 equal to x by 2. Equal to x by 2. So the simplest value is x by 2. Tan inverse tan x by 2, that is x by 2. We know tan inverse tan x equal to x. Use that formula. Tan inverse tan x by 2 equal to x by 2. So this is the simplest value, and this is the answer. Number 7. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then say question number next. Question number 8. You are writing now? Written?
Yes, sir. Writing.
Number 8. Tan inverse tan inverse cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x is divided by cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. Okay? Cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Simplest value. Find its simplest value. That means simplify this. So, because tan inverse of something, that means to make tan. So, how to make tan? We know sin by cos is tan. So, need cos in the denominator. So, from both numerator and denominator, divide by cos x. Then sin by cos will be tan. So, tan inverse cos x by cos x, that is cos x by cos x is 1 and sin x by cos x is tan x, by both sides, numerator and denominator. So cos x by cos x is 1 plus sin x by cos x is tan x. Tan x now equal to tan inverse 1 means we know tan 45 degree, that means tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 minus tan x. Tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Because of formula, we have to make here tan formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. And we can write 1 means tan pi by 4. So this formula is tan of a minus b, tan of pi by 4 minus x. So tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a into tan b. Tan formula. So this equal to tan inverse equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. Pi by 4 minus x, because tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. It's okay, it is clear here? Hello?
Sir.
You understood here?
Yes, sir.
So this equal to tail, this equal to what? This equal to tan inverse tan something equal to, this equal to, we can write what?
The pi by 4 minus 6.
Yes, good. Pi by 4 minus 6. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus 6. This is the simplest value and this is the answer. Okay. So this also write down. These all questions are important. Next question is tan inverse x by under root s square minus x square. So question number 9. Question number 9. Tan inverse x by under root s square minus x square. Under root s square minus x square. Tan inverse under root x by tan inverse x by under root s square minus x square. So in place of 1 here x square is there. Okay. So let x equal to, let x equal to a sin theta, because a square is there, a sin theta and 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta we know. then we can take here x equal to a sin theta. Because of formula, we can use the sine formula. So equal to tan inverse x equal to a sin theta. So a sin theta divided by a square minus x equal to a sin theta. So x square equal to a square sin square theta. So a square sin square theta. So under root, denominator part is under root. Now simplify this. Tan inverse. So a sin theta divided by a square is common, then a into root over of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, a square is common, so root square means a. So a into under root 1 minus sin square theta. This, and here a cancel. So tan inverse sin theta by sin theta.
So sin theta by cos theta.
Yes, 1 minus sin square theta by equal to cos square theta. Under root cos square theta means cos theta. So it is cos theta. So this is cos theta, and this equal to tan inverse sin by cos tan inverse tan theta, and tan inverse tan theta means equal to theta, and theta equal to, say, theta equal to x equal to a sin theta. Then
Theta equal to
x by a equal to sin theta, no? Since x equal to a sin theta, so x by a equal to sin theta. Then theta equal to sin inverse x by a equal to theta. So sin inverse x by a equal to theta. So this equal to sin inverse x by a. This equal to sin inverse x by a. Okay, and this is the answer, and this is the simplest value of this. Clear? Say sin inverse x by a is the answer. So simplest value is sin inverse x by a. Okay, it is clear.
yes, sir.
Next question. Question number 11. Next. All questions are same type. Okay. Same type question. So do 11 number question next. Number 11. 11 number is important. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse half 2 sin inverse half. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse half. Okay, so this is the question. So now take sin inverse half equal to something. Take sin inverse half equal to theta. So let sin inverse half equal to theta. Then sin theta equal to half. Sin theta equal to half. Okay. then this equal to tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse half, that is sin inverse half equal to theta, that means 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, tan inverse 2 cos 2 theta and equal to tan inverse, so cos 2 theta formula 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is cos 2 theta formula. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now sin theta equal to half, we know, use this, sin theta equal to half. So tan inverse multiply by 2 minus 4 into sin theta equal to half. So sin square theta is 1 by 4. Now this 4 cancel. So tan inverse equal to tan inverse 2 minus 1, it is 1. 2 minus 1. So this equal to tan inverse 1. And 1 means tan, hello? 1 means tan pi by 4, no? Tan pi by 4, no? Hello? 1
Yes,
means
sir.
tan pi by 4. So this equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 means
5 by 4.
pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. Okay. Now say, you understood this question? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Say, you have any doubt? Any question here?
No, sir.
And write down this question. This question is important, okay? This question is coming in exam. Find the value or simplest value. Okay? It's okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, formula, if you know formula now, then you can do this type of sum. So you have to practice all the formulas. Okay? Thank you.